everyone. We are Team 300, and we decided to make an application called Derm AI. And we're a diverse team of different engineering students.
So the motivation behind this application is, like, as we all know, skin cancer is the most common form of cancer seen in the United States. Some people are at higher risk than the others, but everybody can get it. The most prevalent cause to skin cancer is overexposure to UV light, either from sun or from artificial sources. But currently, the health industry comprises of visual screenings, biopsies, and imaging tests as definitive sources to conclude skin cancer. However, there is nothing prevalent that can let doctors get an extra set of eyes to prevent misdiagnosis, one of the leading causes of skin cancer-related deaths in the US.
So going over the concepts, we decided to use JavaScript to construct the interface of the app. And we did this by importing the library from React Native into Visual Studio Code. And from there, we're able to construct the navigation of the app and make all the different slides, such as the welcome screen, the camera screen, and actually the output screen that tells the user what types of cancers and the probabilities of having those cancers. Um, in terms of the machine learning algorithm, we constructed um, algorithm from Python library and used TensorFlow as a bridgeway to get that algorithm in the app so the image could actually be processed by Python.
This is actually a screenshot of our brainstorming model, which we constructed while we were working on the app.
So as mentioned earlier, the technologies we used related to the app were React Native for the front end and the app interface. We also used Python libraries like TensorFlow, NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn to do the data augmentation, structuring, and model training. And we decided to use convolutional neural networks trained on CSV data containing RGB values to properly get a good prediction score. And on the right side, you can see a breakdown of what our model looks like. Now, in terms of adversity, there were a lot of problems we ran into throughout this weekend. The first was, this was everyone's first time using React Native, Python libraries, and machine learning. So it was a huge learning curve for all of us. The next issue we faced was trying to connect the model to the app because we were having a hard time, going from JavaScript to Python. The next issue we faced was long training times. Because we're using convolutional neural networks and training on images, it took a long time to train these models. And we actually had low accuracy in the beginning. So you can see on the top right corner, our accuracy graph isn't very good. But towards the bottom, it sort of levels out and is more consistent, which is what you want. And you can actually see in the table that we got an accuracy of 0.74, which is phenomenal for doing this in 24 hours, especially because it's everyone's first time using machine learning.
Here is our GitHub link for the application. So if you ever want to click on it and want to visit our actual app, and here are the references for our slide. We really enjoyed being a part of this makeathon, and hope you guys have a good day.